Yeah. You listening to this right now, then you made it, man. It's the end of shit. Thank y'all for making it this far. Stay tuned, we got more to come, man. I'ma get right to it though.
Let's do it. Cushion cigarillos, bitch lay on my pillow. Got a wet dream in your thoughts. I hope I'm here just to fulfill those. Working on a monster. When it come alive, I'ma dive deep off in this game. Most would be surprised how I slay them. Niggas wanna portray them. Bitches wanna meet and greet me knowing I'ma fillet them. I walk a different path. Bury me alive or drown me with them concrete slabs. Still I rise, watch me go and get it. Follow me now, pimpin', I'm telling them swallow me now. See I'm a star, reach to the sky if you wanna go far. Light up a gun if you wanna see Mars. I run with a crew, hunting for heads, chickens and clunkers. The fuck if you scared? We live in the zoo and these niggas ain't eating. We hunger for more. You might can be spared. The chance you get beaten is highly in favor. I recommend and suggest that you lay. You'll get tailored for funerals. Faggot, I'm having beef for my soul. They know I'm a hazard. I'm hard to control. Tell them I'm gone. Hiding this bitch, don't ring the alarm. I set it aflame, let this shit burn. Crazy insane, but you wait for your turn, bitch.
And I swear I think it's like that. Nigga try ask me for his mic back. I told him hold fast, I'll be right back. When I make a couple hundred fucking million flat. Real live motherfucker. That was the first one though, you know.
Yeah, roll 6 for the trip mode. Got something to sip and then I'm stepping off in this booth. I'm about to spaz. Flip mode, busting a rhyme, quicker to pick up the 9. Put it to somebody's spine, give me the loot. The game that shortest lead, that's not what I'm choosing to do. Loyal before the royal, the spoils are coming time. Light up a spliff, a nigga like me sticking to the grind. Remember this fucking line, regardless I'm getting mine. I'm old that, Stan Kale showed that. Yeah, enlightened despite of the game and all of the hype that it came with. I probably remain me that same nigga on that same shit. Like I ain't really giving a fuck about who the fuck you came with. It's never settled overall who the fuck I claim, bitch. Real shit, I'ma do it till I die. Don D, fuck you mean? Keeping it true until I doze off. Waking the rolls, pancakes over the stove. Smoking section closed off to them lanes who ain't got shit to roll. Yo, lost.